Described by many tourists as almost being frozen in time, it really does feel as though at any moment you might hear trumpet blasts with the familiar hear ye, or Hjörditch, with it being in Germany, This feeling of authenticity is completely valid due to the fact that the original city walls are still standing strong, as well as many of the original buildings. The city is a historical treasure trove, and you'll feel it with every step. A bit of fate nostalgia or familiarity may arise once visiting, and that's understandable. That's because this city has been featured in many of your favorite classic Disney movies, including Pinocchio and Beauty and the Beast. Everything and pretty much everyone in the city is sure to give you all the medieval vibes you've been looking for. The scent of open fire roasted bratwursts wafting through the streets. There are over 70 different restaurants within a mile of the city, all offering a wide variety of traditional foods and beverages that'll fuel you for the star attraction.